Welcome back. Mrs. House is still in her house. This week is week 8 of distance learning, and this is going to be our week just for juniors. So if you are a senior, you are going to be done with school faster, so you have this week to get things finished up. If you are a junior, we are going to be doing nuclear chemistry this week just to see what it's about, a little taste of it, type of thing before we leave. So I have made the nuclear chemistry resources folder. This is the one that has all of our assignments that you'll be doing in there. And then this is our week. So made it orange, more like nuclear testing. Okay, Monday, it's starting next nuclear chemistry. What is nuclear chemistry? Where's the nucleus? See how they sound like that? So we're starting off with the new cartoon. Oh boy, I'm hungry. Me too. What's in the fridge? Just a couple of atoms. Want to split them? Sure. Boom. There's a hint. Okay, there's a hint for what some of nuclear chemistry is about. So here's where our directions video will be. We're doing nuclear chemistry applications in the beginning to see what are they and what can they be used for. They're all over, but do you recognize that that is nuclear chemistry that is being used? So I made this worksheet for you. It has some short videos and then a question or two after it. Short video and then another question. Short video, another question about all different types of applications of nuclear chemistry. So I hope you are enlightened and maybe see some around when you are traveling or just being around. Have a nice day.